Go, 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 go! Go, go, go in the ship. Go, 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 go. Stop!
You must go to their planet and attack.
Why do we need to take over their planet though? I mean, we have ours.
But the aliens are bad. They could destroy our cozy.
You know we can't speak alien, right? Are any of the humans aliens? So are you an alien or just a strange looking human? People have decided to join forces with, yeah, apparently they're supposed to be cool, yeah.
What are you doing? You're such a terrible spy.
Attack them, don't make friends with them.
What are you doing?
Just follow along, you should have done it if you wanted to.
Yeah.
What?
You have to come and save me now. Don't worry, I'll save you soon.
You're too late, we're after any gosh. Okay then, so this is the launch button. Yeah, this one, I'm not actually sure what this does. They don't really tell you everything in your early days, so I'll have to ask them about that. Oh,
This is working. It just won't work. You have got to help us. If you get this video.
yeah, we're sending you a video now.
We're in a prison cell. The aliens
And they've
are
chopped
very-
off my arm. Ow.
Yeah, so you better rescue us soon, otherwise we'll be stuck here forever.
They're destroying your men. Somebody's been captured by aliens. I meant to bring backup, but seeing as all of my friends weren't cool enough, so I had to leave them. I've decided to take you, so you can join us and fight the aliens. Sound good? Yeah. Okay.
Great.
Thanks. 10,
9, 8,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Welcome to the alien planet. This is like an alien tunnel thing. I don't know what it is. Anyway, obviously the aliens need to be killed, but I also need to find my friends. So, you take that path and fight any aliens that go in your way. I'll take this route and see if I can find my friends. Sound good? Okay, good. Goodbye. Goodbye, Doctor. Why do you wish to fight us? Okay, I'll tell you. I've joined.
You got our message. I mean, it'd be a bit annoying.
Yeah, guys. Hi, over here.
I know. Our message.
I found a gun outside. Whose is this?
I'll
So, What's going on? Well, we've tried to have a war on aliens since both of you kind of got kidnapped, so.
Right.
Oh, look. Get back! Oh, grab one.
Great.
This is the end, Father. I may have blood on my hand, but you have blood on your dead brains. This is the end, Father.
A human girl, crown queen of Galaxia. But who is evil, the humans or the aliens?
Nobody will ever know.